Well, students, here is a question. We are provided with a rectangle carrying current I with sides A and B respectively. We need to find out the magnetic field at the point O. Let us see how can we calculate that. So, first of all, we have just marked the vertices of rectangle as PQRS, as well as we have drawn the normals OM to PS and the normal ON to PQ. We can say this angle to be phi 1 and this angle to be phi 1 because this normal would be the bisector of the angle POS. So we can call it to be phi 1 and the phi 1 too, as well as here we are calling this to be phi 2 and phi 2. Now we can calculate the magnetic field at magnetic field at O due to SP segment and PQ segment. Let us see. Magnetic field at O due to PS, we can write it as B1 equal to mu naught I upon 4 pi this distance from M to O, and this will be equal to half of the breadth. So we can just write it as B by 2 sine phi 1 plus sine phi 1, or you can further write it as 2 mu naught I upon 4 pi into 2 sine phi 1. We can have the value of sine phi 1 as phi 1 equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This phi 1 would be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this can further be written as into sine phi 1. Sine phi 1 will be equal to A by 2 upon square root of A square plus B square upon 2. So it will give 4 mu naught I upon 4 pi B into A upon root A square plus B square. Mark this as first. Also, due to segment PQ, we have magnetic field equal to B2, and this B2 will be equal to mu naught I upon 4 pi the distance NO, and the distance NO, and this NO will be equal to half of A. So it can be written as A by 2 into sine phi 2 plus sine phi 2 by using the formula of magnetic field due to the segment. This can further be written as 2 mu naught I upon 4 pi a into 2 sin phi 2, and we can further calculate sin phi 2 will be equal to, you can see here, sin phi 2 will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it will give the two fields are inward. We can just write it here, inwards, and this is also inwards. Since SP has its counterpart QR and PQ has its opposite part RS, the magnetic field in same direction due to all the four components. So we can write it here as magnetic field at O equal to 2 into 4 mu naught I A upon 4 pi b root a square plus b square plus 4 mu naught I b upon 4 pi a root a square plus b square. We have multiplied here as with the factor 2 because the magnetic field at O due to SP will be same as due to QR, and the magnetic field at O due to RS would be same as that of PQ. That's why we have used the multiplicative factor 2. So further solving, we can get this can be cancelled here, this can be cancelled here. We can take out mu naught I upon root a square plus b square as common, a upon b plus b upon a. This will give 2 mu naught I upon square root of a square plus b square upon ab. So further solving, we can get the magnetic field, the net magnetic field at O would be equal to 2 mu naught I upon ab root a square plus b square, and the direction would be inward. So here is a solution. I hope it has been clear. I hope it has been clear to all. Okay, this question is quite easy one, not a typical one, but the diagram is little bit typical. So I hope the question is clear to all. Thank you.